Both this bird eating.
Watch until it bites his bum.
তোমার ক্যাটকেও কিন্তু মেরন খাওয়ায়।
Did you order my food yet?
Yes, I have. Yes.
Food. Meron, what's that? This bird. Eating, bird eating.
Oh, okay.
Daddy, needed to go to the toilet.
That is okay. You don't have to. Arki go, Mama. Arin, how is life?
That's like the third time you've lost.
Yeah, but you're not answering properly.
I did.
You're not telling me. How's Fahad life? Fahad's life.
Fahad's life is
Bird
boring.
eating?
Why?
He talks to no one, does nothing. All he does is sit in his room,
And what he does, plays games.
basically.
Don't worry.
And then
Don't
he comes
worry,
home,
I
goes
took
to office. He
দিবে না
doesn't talk to
মেহরানের হাতে
anyone.
কামড়। এই হাতে কামড় দিবে।
Like this, Fahad.
He doesn't talk to any of his flatmates. He doesn't talk to anyone.
Meh.
Of course, he's just on his own.
Done. No, not done. Down, bitke.
He's a guy.
Baba said he found a wife from Bangladesh for him.
Yeah, already? How old is Fahad now?
19.
19. Too young, man. I mean, it's okay. Why not? But, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not getting married.
No, not before 35 or something.
Yeah.
Or 40 or 100.
40 or 100. But I never do.
never.
কি সত্যি বাদে বিয়ে দিবি নাকি রে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ রে ভাই বাড়ির বউ লাগবে।
সিরিয়াস না জোক?
সিরিয়াস?
ওরে এখন কি বিয়ে?
Wait, you're being serious?
Yeah.
From Bangladesh? Yeah.
মেহরানকে লুক আফটার করার জন্য বুয়া লাগবে আমাদের।
What do you think?
Oh, wow.
আপু ভাত হয়ে গেছে, খাবেন না?
হ্যাঁ 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 দিয়ে দে।
খাবারের
না
উপকার করবো আমরা।
না না দিয়ে দেন ও পরে খাবো।
Take the food.
খাদের বুকে দে। No Mehran, careful careful.
Mehran does not eat.
Yeah, but they hungry. How are we going to?
I have four after
ওরে মেহরান রে।
three on the phone, one on my teeth, David TV.
You have what?
Let's go.